Okay, good everyone. Okay, welcome to my channel, Mathematics of Today's Generation. Okay, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakipindot na rin sa notification bell para updated kayo sa mga panibagong videos na i-upload ko. Okay, so by the way, if you are a mathematics contestant, okay, a math coach, or a mathematics enthusiast, then this tutorial is for you. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so we are now on problem number 11, the solving system of equations 4. So this problem is taken from the previous Philippine Mathematical Olympiad, and we're going to solve this in a very easy and systematic manner. So we are trying to solve for the ordered pair x, y of real numbers in the system of equations in the square of e to the x plus 2 minus y equals 3 and 4 times e to the x plus 2 minus y equals negative 1. Okay, so as you have observed, okay, the system is quite complicated, but okay, we're going to make it simple, okay, by assuming okay, the expression e to the x plus 2 to be equal to a certain variable. Say, for example, we assume it, so for solution, okay, we let the expression e to the x plus 2 would be equal to a. So then, the system becomes a squared minus y is equal to 3 and 4a minus y equals negative 1. Then, by elimination, so by elimination, so we're going to eliminate eliminate y variable, eliminating y. So we now have a squared minus y equals 3, then 4a minus y equals negative 1. So by elimination, using the operation subtraction, so we now have a squared minus 4a is equal to positive 4. Then we're going to solve for the value of a in this equation. So this follows that a squared a minus 4a minus 4 is equal to 0. Then using the quadratic formula, okay, then using the quadratic formula, so we have the value of a equals a negative of negative 4 plus minus square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 4 over 2 times 1. Then simplifying this, we have negative times negative, we have positive 4 plus minus square root of positive 16 plus positive 16. Because negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16 over 2 times 1 is 2. Then 4 plus minus square root of 16 8 times 2. Because they have a common factor which is 16. Now then 16, then 1 plus 1 we have 2. Then over 2. Or you can also add this, 16 plus 16 is 32. Just like 16 times 2 is 32 also. Then we now have 4 plus minus 8. By applying the nth root of the product, so this means the square root of 16 will be 4, then the square root of 2. Okay, then we have 2. Then it follows that a is equal to 2 plus minus 2 is square root of 2. Okay. Take note that a to the x plus 2 is equal to a, and a here is greater than 0 because for any x, in this expression, a to the x would be always greater than 0, and thus a to the x plus 2 is greater than 2. Okay, so it follows that we are going to use only a is equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Because if we use the negative operation here, the result will be negative. So, this would be the value of a that we look for. A equals 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Then, we're going to solve for the value of y using any of these two equations. So, for example, we use equation 2 to solve for y. Okay, using equation 2 to solve for y, we get 4 times our a is 2 plus 2 square root of 2, then minus y equals negative 1. Then simplifying this, so we have 4 times 2, we have 8, and plus 4 times 2 square root of 2, we have 8 square root of 2. Okay, then this one, negative 1, we're going to place to the left side of the equation, so it becomes plus 1, then equals, so negative y, we're going to put this on the right hand side of the equation, so this becomes positive y. Then, combining like terms, 8 plus 1, we have 9, so therefore we have y equals 9 plus 8 square root of 2. Okay, so we are not yet done because the value of x is not yet found. So we need to substitute first a to the assumption that we had. So we now have, okay, so a to the x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Then by addition property of equality or subtraction property of equality, we can cancel this out. Then the remaining would be a to the x is equal to 2 square root of 2. And by definition, this can be written, okay, this follows that x is equal to ln of 2 square root of 2. Okay. Finally, we have the ordered pair ln 2 square root of 2 and 9 plus 8 square root of 2, okay, as a solution okay, to the given system. And I think, okay, it's a good place to start.